trying to defend their home field today. Kazaiah Sterling, one of the club's elite all-time scorers. Remember, both teams below the playoff line. We are underway for the second bout of 2023 between these two clubs, South Georgia Tormenta and the Chattanooga Red Wolves. Ajay lines up the free kick, and a diving save by Aviles. With Tormenta last year and then a USL League 2 title in 2021. Ajay on the corner. They go low. It's loose in the box, right by the 6. Who's there? Dangler didn't take it, and a score for Tormenta! It comes in the 10th minute. Pinball, who picked it up? Tormenta did, and they get it going in the 10th. Wow! Deshawon Nembhard in the right place at the right time.
FC scored by number 12, Deshawon
Off the corner kick from Kingsford Ajay. Nembhard with goal number 2 on the... Made a slight tweak against Lexington to get more bodies on the back line, and here's a body on the back line. Kazaiah Sterling, his body somersaults over Aviles. Yellow card on the keeper, Aviles. That's his second, and that means Aviles, he's sent off. Welcome to the show, J.D. Myers. His first professional look against Kazaiah Sterling, a penalty kick, and Sterling scores. Tormenta 2, Chattanooga 1. Tormenta regains the lead in minute number 43. Kazaiah Sterling. He scores his 4th goal of the season. You've got a green keeper in J.D. Myers making his professional debut. And Kazaiah Sterling takes advantage.
Scored by number 9, Kazaiah Sterling.
As the Tormenta fullback. They go back to the box. Sterling leaps. He whiffs. It's up in the box and popped up in the air. Once again, J.D. Myers can't capture it. Kazaiah Sterling takes it away early. What does Sterling have to start the second half? Nutmegs his defender. Otieno the cross. Who's home? It goes high. Pedro Fonseca wanted that one back. Have another look. Otieno, a perfect cross. Fonseca. The scoring started with Deshawon Nembhard in the 10th. And then Kazaiah Sterling in the 43rd minute. When that's a big-time strike on a turnaround. And Mayo Malongo nearly snuck one by Bush. Came out of nowhere. Malongo turns around, and Bush... Amo finds Akoto. Nifty move in the box. Trying to get a step on Paoli. They send it in. Kazaiah Sterling, the header, and a diving save. It's J.D. Myers sprawling to his right. Have another look. Climbs the ladder, and J.D. Myers with his first professional save. Ajay booms it really strong. Dangler couldn't climb the ladder, but Fonseca chips it back up. And a chance with the head, pinballing loose, and still Tormenta with an opportunity. Fonseca with the right, it goes low, and Chattanooga clears it away. Ajay booms it really strong. Dangler couldn't climb the ladder, but Fonseca chips it back up. And a chance with the head, pinballing loose, and still Tormenta with an opportunity. Fonseca with the right, it goes low, and Chattanooga clears it away. So you can see the top left-hand corner of your screen that Chattanooga is playing with 10 men. Could be trouble here. Elijah Amo, he's got a chance, and J.D. Myers cheats up. He makes a Herculean save. He goes low this time. Fonseca settles. Fonseca strikes, and he misses high. Kazaiah Sterling put it on a platter for Mukwelle Akale. With the left, he finds Ajay. Ajay cuts to his right, top of the 18. Mukwelle Akale, he scores! Fresh off the bench. It's his 3rd goal of the season and Tormenta's 3rd. have another look. Ajay got it all going. Akale left alone, and J.D. Myers couldn't clean up the mess. Mukwelle Akale making Ian Cameron look pretty smart. Corey finds Boswa, now Akale on the right flank. Here's Mukwelle Akale. He wants to put this one away. He is down. Mukwelle Akale wins a penalty. Akale. He scores! Tormenta is going home with all 3 points tonight. They're up 4-2 in stoppage time. And the first-year pro, J.D. Myers, guessed correctly, couldn't stop him. Who prior to tonight last scored in March. And that'll do it. Tormenta 4 and Chattanooga 2.